Hello and welcome back to the Off-Grid family. During the times when I had a little bit more mobility, I set up a part of the channel which was called Secret Pembrokeshire. And basically me and my wife would go to places that either tourists would know about or would never have a chance to know about unless they'd spoke to someone who lives here. One of the places that you just wouldn't know about is a place called Plumstone Mountain. I don't know the actual name of it, but that's what I've always been told it was called. It may actually be called that, but that might just be a name that's been given to it, you know, colloquially. But it's a beautiful place. I can't get to it myself anymore, but we did a video on maybe a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, and my friend had brought his drone with him, and he took some drone footage and various other things, and I thought, well, do you know what, I've got the footage, I might as well put it together and let you guys have a look at this place. Now, it's a very tiny little rock on a hill, and it's a really nice place to go. Fantastic place to go if there's like meteor showers and stuff, because there's no light pollution and you're elevated as well. It's just an all-round really nice place to go, and I would love to go there again when I've got myself sorted and fixed. It's just a very tranquil spot, and there's a walk that you can take from there and so on, and it's a definite place I would suggest going if you're ever in Pembrokeshire. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank David, my Patreon. Awesome dude, you've been there since the beginning and you really have helped out the channel. I wish there was more I could do for you in that respect, but if you'd like to join David and become a Patreon yourself, follow the link in the description, and only do it if you can. Times are hard for everyone at the moment, and I don't want anyone putting themselves out. Anyway, let's get on.
our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Okay, there you go. Obviously, I wasn't planning on making this into a video, so it's maybe a little clunky in places, but I just hope that that lets you see what sort of place it is. And Pembrokeshire, well, Wales in general is a blinking lovely place, and I'd like to be able to bring you to more of these places, and I might end up buying myself a drone, and then I can sort of go to the places I can't go to anymore through the drone, possibly. Tell me what you think, if that's something that you'd like to see more of, and I will see if I can, you know, sort something out. Again, thank you, David, for being my patron, and if you'd like to join him, you know, we've got loads of fun stuff that we do behind the scenes. I think, you know, if you can afford it, it's worth having a look into. Thanks again. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.